Okay guys, turned out pretty good. Did about 4 coats on the barrel, and I did 5 on the receiver because there was a little mark that I got off early in the process, and I wanted to give it one more. But they came out really nice. There's some light on it. Okay, we have that back together now. We can go ahead and put in the trigger group. It's all been cleaned up, oiled, air, blowed off an air hose, so it's all clean. Everything looks good. It should just drop right in there. Sometimes you got to play with it a little bit, and you don't want to force it. Just have patience with it, move it around, and it'll drop right in. Might get stuck, but you just move it. Going in. This takes patience. There it's going. Right in. Line the holes up. Got one in. Got 2 in. And it works. Dust cover works. The hard part's over. Okay. So now we can go ahead, put the wood on it, make it look like a gun again. Okay. Guess I gotta find the wood. I know where it's at. It's over here in my toy box. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So, here we go. Put her together. Whatever you do, never forget to put this on. This keeps the stock from cracking if it's ever gonna crack. It absorbs all the recoil here first and spreads it out evenly. So, okay, so we're going to do that. That will go in here. Then we'll need, let's see, which one do I want to use? I have some big screwdrivers just for this job. Okay, let's get it in there. Yep, there it is, sticking out the bottom. Maybe easier to stand it upright. I'll just set it on my shoe. Doesn't need such a long one. Line up. I think we got her this time. Check it out. It looks good. I think I could go ahead and tighten it down. Sometimes it's hard to see in there. There we got it. That's tight. Okay, so we got the stock back on. We have the butt pad, butt plate. Wow, that's nice. Okay, here we go with this. Phillips head screwdriver. Okay. Got the butt plate on. It's coming together. Now, got the forearm. Okay, here we go with the forearm. Looks like it went on good. It's good and snug going in there. There it is. It's on. So, she's back together. Got the magazine yet. I just used some of the super glue on the magazine. And I guess that's it.